Alright guys, so I got out the pipe cutters. These things are duller than hell. So I cut off that much down here. And then I drilled a new hole right here. So we'll see if it lines up. It should. And then, like I said, worst case scenario, I can always get out the TIG welder and can take this back on there. So that's why I wanted to cut it nicely. Well, it's close, but not quite. I can come in a little bit on each direction and make it meet in the middle. So that's what we'll probably do. Or they might fit in anyways, I don't know. I have a file somewhere, that's what I should use. So it was very close, and of course I dropped the lock nut somewhere on the floor here, and I can't find it. We're not going to worry about that. Right now, let's go ahead and see what we got. Holy moly. This thing's terrible. It's going all over the place. Wonder why. The best I could tell, it didn't improve at all. This cable here is a little loose. It's about the same. Let's see. I'm trying to figure out where it's the very lowest at. Um, 144,900. Because it starts going up. 144,300. 900. Then it goes up. So 144,900. One 146, 400, 1.3, 146, 700, 1.4, 1.47, 1.4, 1.473, 1.5. Now then, sure it's going up. 1.6, 1.482. So about 149,400, it gets to 2 to 1. So I'll probably, I don't know, I could probably remove a little bit more off the end there. What I really need to do is see. I don't need any of these frequencies down here. Like I want to move the whole thing. Like I don't want a 1.2 over at 143. That doesn't even do me any good. So I'd rather have it a little bit higher here. Move that 1.1 up to 14652. Put that in the middle of my band, you know. So, and it could act differently when I put it up in the air, so I probably don't want to get too excited with it. So, I just should have finished that, and then I'll put it up and I'll test it. And it, something on the end of here, I don't know what the hell I shoved it into. There's no dirt in here. Anyway, so you shouldn't really have to do that to these, but this thing's always been like that, you know, with multiple different radios. So I don't know. Do I gotta redo that and find a lock washer?